In the early 1800s, ice houses were the primary method of cooling food. However, it wasn't until 1834 that a breakthrough came when Jacob Perkins invented the first mechanical refrigerator. This remarkable machine utilized vapor compression to refrigerate. Fast forward to the late 1800s when the first commercial refrigerators entered the market, revolutionizing food storage in homes and businesses. By 1920, refrigerators became commonplace in households, drastically reducing food spoilage and changing dietary habits forever. The refrigerator not only changed how people preserved food but also paved the way for the modern kitchen as we know it today.